Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I know it has been such a long time. I have just been going through the trials and tribulations of life itself. So being a part of YouTube content creation again was like the last thing that I was thinking about. But I am trying to make my way back, and thus the reason for this video. I don't know why I'm out of breath right now. I was like walking pretty fastly. Was I sprinting? Like, I don't know. I've been doing a lot of meditation, so. Okay, so the purpose of this video is, of course, my little welcome back. Yay! And I can't make any promises that this is going to be as consistent as I used to be in previous years. Like I said, I had to step away for just my own mental health and just getting myself together, because life definitely be lifing. Like, so yeah, the purpose of this video is really to introduce a new phase of who I have become and to take you guys on this new journey of mine. So basically, I have decided that I wanted to embark on a new hair journey, a new mental health journey, a new everything, a new life journey. And I have decided that I wanted to start a lock journey. It has, honestly, you guys wouldn't know this because I've been so far removed from YouTube for so long, which I'm so happy to be back. I missed you guys, and I'm praying that I have the consistency that I need to have for you guys, especially if you are on the same path with starting a lock journey yourself. But that's just me chatting. Let me get back to it. So I wanted to start a lock journey. It has definitely been a long time coming. It's something I wanted to do for a while, but you know when you want to do something and it just isn't the right time for you, or you don't have the right tools or the right knowledge, or it just don't feel right. That's how it felt for me. I knew that I wasn't ready to embrace that type of journey as of yet, and I needed to really sit down, dedicate my mind, my thoughts, my presence, my hair, all of the above, to really making sure that this is something that I wanted to do. So now is that right time. It feels amazing, and I'm so excited to share every single experience, detail, everything with you guys. And before I even start talking about the lock journey, I think it's only right for me to explain why I stepped away from YouTube, even more so just content creation overall. So for a lot of people who do follow me on Instagram, I have mentioned that I was sexually assaulted about 2 years ago, or coming up actually to 2 years. And it honestly had reshaped my life 1000%. I'm still not me, but you know, it's definitely something that has altered my life, and I'm trying not to like get to that point of being emotional, because crying has not been my thing lately, and I really just, anyways, yeah, I've been sexually assaulted. I was raped, and I've just been trying to really take hold of my life again, and you know, get my mental right, and just continue living life the way that makes me feel my happiest again. So during that time, you know, I've just been in this place of figuring things out, figuring how to get back to being me. I knew that in order to do that, I needed to slow down on some things. And I knew I couldn't be my most authentic self if I didn't, you know, take some time for me, because that's really important. You have to dedicate time to you. You have to be able to get yourself together first in order to get back to doing things that you love and you enjoy. So I needed that break. And I think the reason for me starting this lock journey while still healing, because I'm still not 100% healed. Every day is a new experience for me, and I'm trying my best to just hold on to the things that make me feel my happiest, be around people that make me feel my happiest. So every day is not a walk in the park, but I am trying my best, and so far so good. I try to hold on to my happiest moments, my high moments, rather than dwell on my low moments, but I still am working towards allowing myself to feel what I need to feel even in my lowest moments. But yeah, so with that being said, that's how me embarking on this lock journey came about, because not only was my mental not right, I felt like my hair wasn't right. I felt as though, we all know that our crowns are like so sacred to us. It's something that we pride ourselves on, because after all, it's one of the things that other people see from the start. It's one of the things that we look at every single day, and it makes us feel good. So my hair was also not making me feel my happiest. Between, you know, stress and just dealing with a lot of emotions, I also at one point went, I think this was last year around my birthday, or a little before my birthday, but basically in November, excuse me, I don't know who told me to do this, but I thought I was going to be so cute, and I decided I wanted to get my hair blown out by the Dominicans. Child, worst mistake of my life. I still kick myself, like, why did I think that I was going to be invincible and not get heat damage? But you live and you learn, and you know what, I'm not looking back at it, because if that did not happen, I would not be here starting this lock journey and really like being like loving it and just embracing all the different things that come about with this lock journey. But anyways, so there was that. I had heat damage. Overall, I just wasn't doing anything with my hair anymore. I honestly can tell you, from being a content creator that focused on natural hair and styles for natural hair, I have literally become a lazy natural. I was just like, I don't know what I want to do with my hair, or I'll do something with my hair and I didn't like my hair. It was just a mess. There were points where I wanted to cut my hair off. It was just all over the place, and I was just like, this is not for me anymore. I am bored with my hair. I am tired of the state of damage that my hair is in, and overall, I don't feel happy. So I needed to really think about what is it that I wanted to do. And I feel like, I don't know if this is for you, but for me, anytime I'm dealing with any type of major life issues, I end up cutting my hair. The very first time when I cut my hair, I was going through a really bad breakup. And now with this, you know, just trying to get over my assault and dealing with life as is, this is really big for me. And I felt like, because I am already on this healing path mentally and spiritually, I am also going to be on this healing path with my hair as well. And this lock journey has just been tremendous so far, and I'm calling this my healing era, because I really truthfully needed this moment to happen. And I can tell you, I feel so great. I feel so fulfilled. So yeah, guys, I have started my lock journey, and I'm super excited to share some lock videos with you guys on my entire transition, and, you know, just go through the trials and tribulations. If you're starting a lock journey, I'm so happy for you, and I hope that everything that you've experienced so far, or everything that you will experience throughout your entire lock journey, also feels fulfilling for you. Definitely feel free to drop any type of tips that you may have if you're watching this and you already have locks. But I'm here for it. I hope you guys are here for it as well. I hope you guys are on this journey with me. And yeah, so I'm just gonna get into showing you guys a couple photos of my hair from the last year. Well, not the last year. Well, yeah, the last year. Duh, we're already in 2023. See, I'm all over the place. I'm going to show you some pictures from my hair before my lock journey, and then I'll insert a couple of pictures since getting my starter locks. So keep watching. So I hope you guys loved watching a couple of those hair photos real quick. and I'm just going to share with you how I decided to jump into this lock journey. So my first appointment to get my hair locked was March 29th, and it's been about maybe 3 weeks, I think. Hold on, let me check my calendar. Yeah, so 3 weeks, and I had my first wash maybe like on the 2-week mark, I want to say, because I couldn't take it no more. I had to wash my hair. Today is the 20th day, so this is my 20-day locks, and so far so good. So first, because I was in that state of not really doing anything with my hair, or styles that I was rocking as a loose natural wasn't really hitting for me like it used to, I decided, you know what, let me just try out the mini twist. That was like the first stage of really embracing this journey. I did mini twists for here and there, and I would have it in maybe for like 2-3 weeks, then take it out, do something else with my hair that I absolutely didn't like again, and then put them back in. So it was a constant pattern of that, and I was like, I actually don't mind the way my hair looks in these twists, and I wonder how they'll look in locks. So if anyone is looking to start their lock journey, my suggestion would be, before you really make that decision, figure out how you like the vibe of your hair and twist. Obviously they're two separate things, but you know, just try that out, see how you can rock the twist for a bit. If you feel like this is something that you enjoy, then you never know, having locks might be for you. Or if you feel like, you know, I'm not ready yet, then you can always take the twist out and then revisit it at another time. But that was the first thing that I did. The second part was to really just not force myself and just be patient with finding the right time. I wasn't searching for the right time, but I just knew when it was the right time. And typically for me, April just seemed to be like such a meaningful month for me. You know, right now, April is Sexual Assault Awareness Month, so that already has a place in my heart. But even prior to my assault, I have always just loved the month of April for some reason. My natural hair anniversary was always in April, and I don't know, it just felt like the right vibes for me, and I always did something different with my hair around April's timing. So when this month came about, I actually started my starter locks the ending of March, but it's, you know, cousin to April, so it's not too far along. But I was just like, it feels right to do it like now. So don't rush your process. Do your locks if you are interested when you feel like it absolutely feels like this is it for me. The other thing was, at first I was debating on whether I should do my locks or should go and get it professionally done. And end result, I ended up going and finding a loctician that did an amazing job on my starter locks, and I'm so grateful for her. I'll put her information, if you are in New York and you are looking for a loctician, I'll put all her information in the description area for you. But at first I really was like, no, I'm gonna be that type of person. I am going to do my locks myself. I've always done everything myself, and I just feel like, I don't know, I feel like I'm on top of the world when I do things and I start things myself. But I had to take the time to realize that this is a different journey for me. And although I am healing, I'm also in a place where I need to be more accepting and open and vulnerable with asking and receiving help. And for me, that went a long way, not just in my personal life, but with this lock journey. I told myself, this is not your forte. Why not trust somebody else to really get this vision that you're looking for? and making sure that, you know, down to the parting is all good. They can help educate you on what it is that you need to maintain this, like everything. So I trusted that, and I did some research. I asked a couple people that I knew that had locks, or had friends that had locks, if they knew any reliable sources for locticians. And when I found the right one, it felt like light bulbs went off. It was just like, this is it. So for this part, it makes me laugh because I've started this part so many times and I've never succeeded until I actually knew for a fact, like, yes, I am getting my locks done and they are staying in. But getting rid of all of my natural hair products that I used as a loose natural, that was a big step for me, because it was like, damn, like, imagine I don't want to do this lock journey anymore and I done gave all my products away, or I threw them out. Like, now I'm asked out. So I had to really make sure that this is what I wanted to do before doing that, for sure. But I felt so free. I gave all my products away. Well, the ones that I didn't need. I kept my oils because, you know, I need those oils. But like all of my natural hair products, I gave them away to my mom, my sister, some friends. They were beyond happy to get those. But I felt so free. It felt like a weight was lifted off, like I was carrying baggage, and now it's just like, wow, like, who is this person? You know what I mean? And then lastly is just enjoying every single moment of this process. I have been taking pictures like crazy because so many people who have locks have been telling me, make sure you like take so many pictures just so you can keep track of your journey. Like, I have been on like 10 with taking pictures. Every second I get, I'm like, oh, I love this, I love that, my hair looks great, yada yada yada. Like, I'm so loving this journey. I think that this journey, I think it's more so, it's really exciting for me because although it is a healing journey for me, I call these my healing locks. Because this is my healing journey, it feels so new, but it's not the type of new where I'm like, okay, I know a little bit about this, because when I was a loose natural, I knew some things about natural hair already, and it just kind of like fell into it. But because I literally know absolutely nothing about locks, like down to the T of certain things, and just being able to like educate myself and gain that knowledge, it feels so refreshing. So I think this has to be my favorite journey out of anything I've ever done hair wise. But yeah, just really just like taking it all in, trusting this process, being patient with this process, and loving every moment possible. That's everything I got to say for this video. I just wanted this video to be really purposeful of connecting back with my YouTube family and just jumping back into creating content and feeling good about this journey and sharing with you guys my life updates. And I know I just be talking right now, but I just feel so great right now, and I hope you guys are receiving me in the best healing way possible. And for anyone that is dealing with anything right now, assault aside, just life aside, I hope that you just hang in there and you trust your process and you trust yourself and you just pray on it, and you're gonna get it through. You're gonna get through whatever it is that you're going through. And I love you guys so much, and I'm so excited to be back. I'm so excited to connect with you guys, and I'm gonna stop talking now. But thank you for watching this, and I'm excited to be with you guys again soon. Bye guys.